so fresh, so clear, you could dive in. Back when the beach was packed, sun soaked, feeling fantastic. Remember those days poolside, we pretend it's the ocean, covered head to toe in suntan lotion. Fact, we can bring it back, give the world a little more magic, with a little less plastic. There was a time not too long ago, road trips to the beach never getting old. Rolling up in the minivan, car shovel in my hand, finding shells in the sand, got me like oh, oh. And I miss those days with the waves crashing over me. Oh, oh. So let's do it one more time. Remember those blue skies stretching out towards the horizon, water so fresh, so clear, you could dive in. Back when the beach was packed, sun soaked, feeling fantastic. Remember those days poolside, we pretend it's the ocean, covered head to toe in suntan lotion. Fact, we can bring it back, give the world a little more magic, with a little less plastic.
Ay, the ocean gives us everything: rainfall, clean air, green energy. Who is nature with plastic and paper? I'm thinking it's time we give back. Ay, not a night, not trying to be dramatic, but maybe it's time that we do something drastic. Fantasy becomes a possibility when we become big at plastic fanatics. Got me like oh, oh, and it feels so good when we all take care of it. Oh, oh, so let's give it one more try.
Remember those blue skies stretching out towards the horizon, water so fresh, so clear, you could dive in. Back when the beach was packed, sun soaked, feeling fantastic.
Remember those days poolside, we pretend it's the ocean,